Hello, YouTubers. It's your girl Tiger here. I'm coming at you the next day from um, my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner hair treatment. I got a tangle right here. Excuse me. Um, but yeah, this is the next day. As y'all can see, my hair has fluffed out a lot, and that's after I use this. But my hair is still soft, and it's not like crusty like it gets with gel and stuff like that, and that's what I like. I like my hair to be big um when it's natural. Yeah. So yeah, and my camera still sucks, so you can't really see what I got going on here, but I have a twist right here in the front going across right here, and I have a couple on the side. You can barely see them because my hair is so black. And like I said, I've been trying to find a dye that my hair will take to, and I still haven't found one as of yet. I watched a video with a female using I think her name was Ariella or something like that, using a dark and lovely hair color number 379, and I really like that color, which is close to my natural color, and I don't know, it might work, but I've always had bad problems with dyes because they always tend to make just the roots of my hair like an orange color or something like that, and I don't want that. Okay, so right now I wasn't gonna do this like on cam, but right now I'm gonna put my makeup and stuff on, so I can get ready for my day. And I'm gonna start now with a concealer. I've already applied a moisturizer to my hair, to my face, and so now I'm just doing my concealer for those little dark circles under the eyes. Mhm. I have to face the mirror when I do it, y'all, because I can't really see in this computer. So, putting the concealer on. And I'm using my favorite sponge brush that I use for like everything, um, to get the concealer worked in. I'm not really big into powders, and I notice a lot of people use powders to like set their makeup. I'm not big on powders, and I'm not really big on a lot of makeup. So yeah, love my tea. Y'all see my tea mug? Goodfellas, one of my favorite movies. There's Joe Pesci right there. And, Ray Liotta. Yeah. What do you mean funny? Funny how? But anyway, okay, so I got my concealer on, and now I'm gonna put on a little foundation. I don't really like a lot of foundation because I don't really like makeup like that. But got another red sponge brush for my foundation, and um, I also have a liquid that I like to use for that as well. So yeah, okay, so um, the foundation that I like to use is called L'Oreal True Match, and this one is actually darker than my skin, but I like that effect. But I have another one by L'Oreal True Match, and it's a different color. It's a little lighter. But when I combine the two, um, it helps me to get the look that I'm going for. So That's what I'm about to do now. I'm gonna combine these two and see what happens. Um, because my friend is always calling me uh, raccoon eyes and stuff, which is mean. Because my eyes are darker underneath. But so yeah. Um, as far as makeup goes, I really like my makeup to look natural. I don't like it to look like you got on a lot of makeup. You know, I think some people tend to um, overdo it. I was watching some videos, and I think some people tend to put on too much. Like, I don't think you need all that contouring and all that. That's cool, but um, like three different foundations, a primer, and all that stuff. That's just not. Well, that's just not me. I'm not knocking anybody else. That's just not. I just don't feel all that's necessary. Okay, and one of my favorite lip colors I have is like um they call this Athena, and it's like a reddish orange color, and I like that. But I really love my Gold Digger, RNP 4 4. Okay, and I don't even know which company I got this from, but it's called Gold Digger. And I don't need a lip liner because I have nice full lips already. See, some stuff I just think is really unnecessary, but I have a lip liner and it's like a gold tint, but I usually use this on my eyes, but I'll use a little on my mouth for video purposes, but that's it. I don't do all that shit. So, and then my Gold Digger. Look at my red lips coming out of the gold. Okay. I love that color. Okay, and I like everything to match. So I'll do this and do that. Okay. And, but in a way, and I have two different types of bronzer. I have one called Glow by Maybelline, and I have another one by NYC, New York Color, called Sun Sensational Mineral Bronzer, and this one is like a dry bronzer. This one is a liquid bronzer, and I like the liquid one, but it always come out watery at first, so I gotta shake it up real good. And okay, okay. So this is my bronzer. It's a liquid one. Mm. And there's the browser. I love my browser. Um, love it, love it, love it. I don't like real loud makeup. Like I like to call that clown makeup. I don't like it. I never have. I never really been real big on a lot of makeup. So this right here is a stretch for me. Okay, I'm gonna rub that in a little because, like I said, I don't want it to stand out too much. Okay, and right here I have a white liner by Gabriella, and I'm just putting this on my eyes for like a little pop, and just to give them like a little pop, and that's it. Okay, and there is the white liner. Um, and I'm gonna have to combine that with another one of my liners, just so I can like tone it down a little bit. So I have LA Colors jumbo liner, and this one is blue. So, and now my eyes are blue. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. And the mascara that I'll be using right now is by Revlon, and it's called Scandal Eyes, and this will definitely tone both of these down a little bit. So, and I just like to go in the inward, upward motion first. I hate doing this in the computer. And the way I put on my mascara, it kind of lines my bottom lashes at the same time. Y'all see that? I like that. Yeah. So, and it's not like overbearing. Okay. Yeah, because personally, I think some people just put on way too much. And I guess I'll put on a little of this, my powder bronzer as a contour. And you see, I love bronzer because you could just keep going and keep going, and it never looked like you got on too much. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love it. So, and last but not least is my eyebrows. And I don't really do all that lining of the eyebrows and all that stuff because I don't want to look like the Joker. So I don't do that. But what I will do is use one of my old mascaras. This is an e.l.f. mascara, and I'll just kind of go across. I just kind of go across my eyebrow just to darken it up. And I don't know if no, I can't do this in this computer. But I did one. Y'all see? This is the one I did. And I just fill it in a little, you see? And because I like, it to look natural. I don't like to be overpowering, you know? Okay, so I did my eyebrows, I did my eyes, did my lips. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, just a little lip gloss. And then that'll be it. Okay, now I'm ready. Okay, so this is the finished look. And it's still, natural, not overpowering, and because I don't like just makeup like that, period. But anyway, you guys, this is the finished look of my hair, and I use my pick to lift the roots, lift it at the roots, and like I said, I am 1 year natural now, and I'm looking forward to my second year. So, and that's it. Sorry that the video was so long. And I hope you guys liked it. Tell me what you think. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.